Hey mountain kids, more fun in the forest. In this case, we found a round from a tree that had been cut by some loggers or just some people trying to get firewood. And you know, it looks like a will, not only because it's round like all rounds, but it's got a hole right through the middle of it, which is cool. Little decomposition in the center of it. But looks like a Flintstone will to me. And so actually, Guy and I are gonna roll this down the hill because it'll be fun. The one thing I would just ask for you to be a thoughtful mountain kid is look at what's below you, so you're not gonna hurt anything important that's natural or even other people. But the coast is pretty clear here. There's a road down below and a trail that we're on right here. So we're gonna see what happens. So let's roll a log, roll a wheel, the donut wheel.
It's gonna hit the tree.
Oh, and it turns.
Wow, it went a lot farther than I thought it would.
Okay, so we're gonna measure how far this went and we're gonna see if you can beat our record. So go out in the woods, see if you can find a round from a tree that the loggers, or not the loggers so much, sorry, just the mountain folks didn't take with them when they were getting their wood, and roll it down a hill safely, thoughtfully, and see how far it goes. All right, take care, bye.